This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at Lake Griffin State Park near Leesburg, Florida. Nestled in the heart of Central Florida, just a short drive from the villages in Leesburg, Lake Griffin State Park is a serene escape that blends Florida's wild beauty with the comforts RV travelers and campers love. If you're looking for a destination that offers peaceful nature trails, access to open water, and a fascinating glimpse into Florida's natural history, this park should be on your list. This is a gated park, so if you're planning on arriving to camp after sundown, please call ahead for a gate entry code. Lake Griffin State Park is best known for being home to one of Florida's oldest and largest live oak trees. Estimated at over 400 years old, this majestic oak stands as a living monument to the history of the region. Towering at over 125 feet high, with a limb span nearly as wide, it's a must-see for anyone visiting the park. Whether you're an avid photographer or just enjoy awe-inspiring natural landmarks, this tree is worth the trip on its own. But that's just the beginning. With direct access to Lake Griffin, the park is a gateway to the Harris chain of lakes, an angler's dream. Bass fishing is especially popular here, and the on-site boat ramp makes it easy to launch a kayak, canoe, or small motorboat. Paddling through the quiet tree-lined waterways offers an up-close look at native wildlife, including herons, egrets, turtles, and possibly even an alligator or two. If you would like to get on the water but don't have a boat, there are paddle boat tours and kayak rentals available. For those who prefer to stay on land, the park's shaded nature trail is a peaceful hike that winds through a mix of oak hammock and cypress swamp. It's short and easy, perfect for families, birdwatchers, and anyone looking to reconnect with nature without a strenuous workout. Keep an eye out for deer, gopher, tortoises, and a variety of songbirds as you explore. The campground at Lake Griffin State Park is RV friendly and offers 40 spacious sites equipped with water and electric hookups. Most sites are shaded by large trees, adding to the natural ambiance and helping keep your rig cool during Florida's warmer months. There's also a dump station and restrooms with hot showers for your convenience. Unfortunately, the campground is being renovated right now, but will be open fall of 2025. In addition to boating and hiking, the park offers many fun activities for kids and adults alike. With a covered pavilion, outdoor grill, fire pit, fit trail stations, a disc golf practice stand, a volleyball court with volleyballs available at the ranger station, a playground for the kids, and many picnic tables and grills underneath the shade of the oaks. And if you're lucky, you'll catch a glimpse of a mama osprey feeding her young in one of the multiple nests in the picnic area. One of the great things about Lake Griffin is its location. You're tucked away in a quiet, natural setting, but you're also just minutes from restaurants, shops, and attractions in the villages and Leesburg. So whether you want to hike in the morning and grab dinner and a show in the evening, or spend the whole day kayaking and relaxing by the fire, you can customize your trip to fit your style. If you're planning a road trip through Florida or just looking for a new weekend destination, Lake Griffin State Park offers a quiet, nature-filled retreat with all the essentials for a great RV camping experience. It's a place where you can slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and soak up the simple joys of the outdoors. So pack up the RV. Lake Griffin State Park is waiting to welcome you with glassy waters, ancient trees, and incredible memories.